Not too long ago, I figured out how to explore. From laying on the floor, I got up, opened the door. You can get your hopes high, but in time they just want more. I can blame a raindrop or stand naked in the storm. From young and full of answers to old and no more questions. The road's ahead of me, and I'm the one with the directions for. The slow dance is always shorter on the way back. From the top of the world to a needle in a haystack. I play back images, memories, innocence, everything that makes me feel like I can be a kid again. Perfection died in my head when I just let it go. Connection, why take the chance? Guess I'll never know.
No, never, I'll be the go-getter. While these flaws try to draw a few more better smileys. Standing on top of this low-level housing, I'd probably jump if I thought it's gonna crowd. Please, stars fall farthest. Wise up, you shouldn't. It's a small target. My luck, I wouldn't hit. I'm looking for the good, where'd you put it? It's underneath the footprints, the ones that I push with. It's kinda like forgetting how to ride a bike. When your life is designed on the past, you tryna fight. Somewhere between flying a kite and high on a pipe, I'm burning this inflammable world with a pilot light.
I gotta work when the weather permits. The only opportunity I'm ever gonna get.
What's it worth?
That depends on what you measure it with.
May you learn another lesson that you never forget.
I gotta search for whatever it is. The only opportunity I'm ever gonna get.
Does it hurt?
That depends on what you measure it with.
May you learn another lesson that you never forget.
Do you realize what you're capable of? If you quit taking those drugs, leave it or take it as love. Sleep or wake the fuck up. It's a hard enough time trying to make it out without another stranger to trust. See, not too long ago, before I finally got the good news, you can always press record, but you can never click undo. It made me think, I guess I have to plan before I sink into the sand, cause in a blink I could lose everything. So what more can I say? Yesterday is history and I'm reborn today. And with the guidance from my friends and the support from those I hold dear, find me on the other side of the fence when the smoke clears.
You can't climb sheep with a monkey on your back. You can't look forward when you're staring in the past. You can't feel alive unless you dive to your head. And if it raps at this rate, our crops will grow back.
It's that bad moon darkness, waiting on the harvest. Vacuum the past, do karma from my carpet. Break the harness, escape from the sharks, just to argue about whose pavement was the hardest. This narcissistic heart skips, but it's harmless, so let's get this pity party started. Survive the suicide, hanging from the armrest. I'm trying to stay smart and sharpen up the dart tips. I gotta play my part till I'm departed, then you can bury my carcass on the inside of the margins. Plant my soul in your yard and grow a garden. Spill a little bit of ink there to mark
I gotta work when the weather permits. The only opportunity I'm ever gonna get.
What's it worth?
That depends on what you measure it with.
May you learn another lesson that you never forget.
I gotta search for.
For our loved ones. For our loved ones. Family. Your friends. For all the ones that you trust. My mama was his mama. My pops and his pops. It's for you. Growing up in the 80s, I've been thinking about it lately. Was a lot that I missed. I was a star upon a wish, you know. My pops, he didn't stay around too long. He was hanging in the studio, making them songs. Then my mother was young and still sprung on life. I used to watch Different Strokes, I wanted that for Mike. The Jeffersons was a family, I dug it the most. Black folks trying to make it, to y'all here's a toast. I used to go to school with my mom's on the bus downtown, so she can get a degree and feed me and my sister. Man, I can't thank her enough. She used to get high and she stopped for us. We used to walk to the grocery store, and if my mother didn't have the money, we was at my grandma's door. God bless her life and God bless her soul. That old lady showed me love that no one will ever know. Yeah, I wanted Transformers and the fresh turntables. You really didn't understand when they wasn't able. They had bills to pay, taking nickels from a dime. I just waited for my birthday and Christmas time. Now those are days that pass, and me and Chris write rhymes. And until my last wisher, I'ma drop these lines. I love the women in my life, they kept me alive. and now I gotta keep myself alive. You see, the things that you lose will be the things you miss, and no one can prepare you for the days like this. You can have a lost one, you can lose a loved one. Be thankful for what you got, everybody have fun. The things you lose will be the things you miss, and no one can prepare you for the days like this. You can have a lost one, you can lose a loved one. Be thankful for what you got,
check it out.
Have fun.
I got my music right here, my man right there, my family over there, and everywhere I know you're out there. I wake up blessed with another day to make the whereabouts better. Give it up, higher power, live it up. We're grown now. At the table, play the hand that we've been dealt. With no choice, you ante up. All your chips are on the felt, and when the only thing that's left is faith, you maintain the last offense against pain. I wish we could stop the thing, eating grandpa's brain, but all the same, who could I...